Destroy the fridge ship, watch it. Now.
Of course, Lord Kelvin. Man, fire at will.
Target eliminated.
Excellent. My plan is coming into being.
Hello, my name is Sam, Microsoft Relations. What is your name, please?
My name is Ook.
Did you say Luke?
No, I said Ook with a U.
Are you sure it's not Luke? Luke sounds suspiciously like Ook.
Yes, I'm absolutely sure, you stupid robot.
Does your last name happen to be Skywalker?
No, it doesn't sound like Skywalker at all. Hurry up and serve me.
Okay then, how may I help you?
I would like to buy a fridge. Mine has disappeared. I woke up this morning and it's just gone.
I am sorry. All our fridges are gone too. The supply ship has disappeared. You will have to wait.
But I really need that fridge.
Halt! But I wasn't even moving. Pew! Pew!
What were they?
They were the fridge troopers, soldiers of the evil Kelvinator.
Of course! Why didn't I think of that? Who are you, by the way?
My name is the Wise Old Man.
Hi, I'm Ken Solo, and we know where your fridge is.
Wow, how convenient. Let's go!
To the spaceship!
So why did you save me back there? Are you questing against all evil to save the world?
Ha! Of course not. I am the Wise Old Man, and every good story needs a wise old man to act as a mentor for an unsuspecting and ill-trained hero.
So, is Can Solo an unsuspecting and ill-trained hero?
No, you numbskull. I'm a rogue who has escaped from the planet of Salmonella, and I'm being chased all over the galaxy by bounty hunters because I'm not displaying my nutritional value. You are the unsuspecting hero.
Really? I didn't see that coming. I just want my fridge back.
That's just what you think. I know everything. Here we are at the fridge factory. Your fridge was stolen and is now working as a slave for the evil Kelvinator. We must now rescue it.
So what are we waiting for?
Patience, a mighty warrior is never evil.
But you just said I was an unsuspecting hero, not a mighty warrior.
Patience! Ha! Patience. We need our fridge back. Let's roll.
The main factory should be here. We'll soon have your fridge back, Luke.
Halt!
Pew! Pew! Pew!
Quick, let's go! Where's Can Solo? He was with us just a minute ago.
I sense something is wrong.
Hello there. I have your friend under control. I'm using him for my experiment. He will soon be frozen to absolute zero.
You can't do this!
Oh! Out of batteries. I should have used ever-ready super heavy duty for high-powered devices.
It looks like I can do this. Ha 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 ha! You thought you could get away. Once you're frozen to 0 degrees Kelvin, you'll be quickly transported back to the planet of Salmonella, where you'll have a fair trial, then surely die. Mwahahaha!
Why do you want me to test out your deep freezing facilities?
No, you ignorant prisoner. The $1 million galactic dollar reward on your head will pay off the mortgage on this wretched fridge factory. Blooming interest rates.
Kill him.
No, you foolish clone. We shall lower him slowly into the freezer to maximize this wonderful gloating opportunity.
But what if somebody comes to save him?
Nobody will come to save him.
Can Solo, I'm here to save you.
Leave us now.
Stop right there.
Oh dear, what a puny little gun.
Pew, 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 pew.
My door is like a shield of stainless steel. It seems we are evenly matched with a blaster. We must do battle with a lightsaber. What's that humming sound?
I don't know. My lightsaber isn't on yet.
Oh, it's my motor working overdrive. My door has been open too long. Do you know how hard it is to sleep with this sound buzzing all night? I mean... Purple, that's a girl's color. Get a proper color, like red.
Purple or red will kill you just the same.
Yeah, but red is far more stylish. You think that will stop me? Join me. Come to the cold side. It is your destiny.
I'll never join you.
Wise old man never told you about your fridge, did he?
He told me enough. He told me that you stole it.
No, Ook. I am your fridge.
Let's get out of here.
Can Solo, we have to turn around and go back to destroy the fridge factory.
I'm not going back there.
But we have to save the world.
That's so cliche. Can't you just be satisfied with making it alive and saving my life, more importantly?
But I'll have the rest of my life thinking about how I could have saved the world, but knowing I've missed my chance. I might never get such a good opportunity.
The world will always need saving. Just chill out, dude.
Hey, can we change this song? It's pretty boring.
Yeah, I agree. This song is lame. Yeah, somehow that seems much more appropriate.